Harry Potter is dead! And now is the time to declare yourself.
Hands up, devil baby!
Fart poop duty! I've got to deal with the KID.
You can talk!
Goo goo gaga.
No, you can really talk. I heard you.
Fine. I can talk. Now let's see if you can listen. Get me a double espresso and see if there's some place around here with decent sushi. I'd kill for a spicy tuna roll right about now. Get yourself a little something.
Who are you?
Oh!
I'm next. Whee!
Hey, you two, quit having fun.
Trust me, nothing I've done today has been fun.
Hey, the plastic's here for a reason. To keep the couch clean. Watch and learn, boy. Voila! Now I take a simple napkin and...
Oh. Who's ready to see some slides of us as teenagers?
Oh.
Here are the slides.
Oh, just one box.
5 terabytes. That's over 50,000 carousels of family fun.
Oh!
Oh! Make it stop, Gramps! Make it stop!